Hey, this is my new channel. This channel is all about a web series of videos that takes you to the epic journey of science and medical lectures. This will be more helpful for the laziest people who skip to read books, which maybe might you. As I take current affairs and examples and correlates it with the aspect of life science in my lectures, it's quite interesting. For most part, please support my hard work in doing this. Thank you. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get my further videos. Yours GRTH. The aspects which I had taken in our first video was how we came to this world. Is it the God who created? Or evil created? Or it's you, the one who created? I agree, ban of Tik Tok by India. We must also agree, extent of dinosaur by nature. I stand with Black Lives Matter because I stand with words arise in common ancestor. To make you out from all this confusing questions of human origin, evolution, development, extinction, I overcome it with current affairs as an example. Let's start. When you ask this question to Medico, he starts from a cell, which was a first living thing, and tissues organ system and organism, that might be his answer, but first ever before cell, molecules, atoms. The earth was evolved. Atmosphere were created by its own. This was later on proved by Urey, Miller, Opren, and Held in experiments in 1926, and they postulated as primordial soup. They came to know that the atom's molecules were generated when the energy added to gases, like an example to understand, the way we cook different recipes with some same ingredients under heat, like chicken ganchi soup or chicken masala or chicken adobo. That's how. In the formation of Earth, combination of energy with some gases, the molecules were generated. Then the group of molecules form a cell, which was the first living thing in Earth. Then it was developed into different species, depending on the location where it grows. That's how the classification of first human, Homo sapiens, were developed. I will explain briefly from first life to Homo sapiens. For more detailed information, if you are interested to know classification, I have given best video link in YouTube in the description, where I collected too. It was also explained about plants also, look at it when you are free. Like example. Like how we developed our muscles by selecting gym rather than home exercise. That's how. The same first living thing also selects its environment rather than where it was born for food and shelter. So different kinds of species to human sapiens were developed. I said, I stand with Black Lives Matters. How does it correlates, as an example? Yes. The first human, Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa million years ago, and then they migrate to different places for food and shelter. We must also agree the lines arise in common ancestor. In this process of Homo sapiens development, migration to different places makes the change in color, way of living and so on due to climatic condition, so we are black, dark and white. So say no to racism. Cause our blood do not contain any of it. All are say Black Lives Matter, save lives, be friendly. Rest in peace, George Floyd. And how Tik Tok ban correlates an example for human development. In India, America and Australia, Tik Tok and other apps were banned due to India-China border issues by politically. That's how. The dinosaurs and other animals also extinct due to loss of appetite, habitat and other reason by nature, naturally. Then why extinction relates to human development? Because if we lose animals, infectious diseases rise, food web disrupt, overhunting, unsustainable human growth were observed. So save animals, in the way Australian people saved when forests were fired. Save them and us as well. By observing all this, you might have a final question. Do human extinct? I will say yes, it may occur due to rapid animal extinction, deforestation, which affecting plants and our oxygen. Or by natural calamities, floods, droughts and tsunami. Or it may be due to humanity, the thing happened in 2019 coronavirus outbreak. Somehow, unsure human will extinct. So save animals, trees, water. Enjoy the short life, be happy, be friendly, live long, God bless. Thank you, yours GRTH.